In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get magic essence fast here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to make your way over to Easter Island because everything's actually going to happen here on this island. And what you need to do is begin by actually finding the Easter Bunny NPC. If you just make your way down this system just like so, you'll see the Easter Bunny NPC right here. Interact with them, go ahead and complete that quest, and then you have to find all 7 hidden Easter eggs across the map. It's not a requirement that you do that, it just does make the entire grind a little bit easier, but you don't have to do it. I just recommend it because you can actually convert eggs into keys using that same Easter Bunny NPC later on when needed. But essentially what you need to do then is go ahead and make your way to these bunnies right here and start farming them because they're going to drop eggs, and of course they'll also drop keys as well. But essentially get Easter keys either from converting the eggs or just getting them from farming these NPCs. Make your way down here to the Great Mage Summoner NPC right here, and you use your keys to summon in this boss. If you defeat the Great Mage boss repeatedly, you'll have a chance to get that magic essence, and the drop is based on luck, so you're going to need multiple runs to actually get it. But that is the entire process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.